Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix slow download speed on Steam Launcher. So in this video I have a few solutions and I will show you them, right? So first of all, of course, open Steam client and then go to Steam on the top left corner and then go to settings to download and make sure that this download region is right for you, and maybe try to change to the nearest one to test it out what region has the best download speed. And then also make sure that if you did not for a while clear download cache, make sure to clear your download cache here, and also take down this limit bandwidth to KBS, because maybe you have this option, so make sure to don't have it, right? So if these solutions not working, then open up your task manager and then go to performance and then go to open resource monitor here, go to network, and you will see here a lot of tasks here. And if you know the tasks, for example, I know that Discord is working and I can end the process, but make sure to end the tasks that you really know, because so you do not basically crash your computer. And also if these solutions not working, then you need to go to device manager and then go to network and adapters and make sure your basically network adapters is up to date. So update your drivers here. And the last solution is for you, try to use, if you're using Wi-Fi, try to use Ethernet cable and try to restart your router, of course. And if this is not working, try to uninstall the Steam. Maybe it will increase the speed, right? So that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.